Hi, I'm Chef Steve Putnam with Chartwells, and today we're going to be making items for the big game. Everything you see here except for the spices are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to be making is our baked tortilla chips. Take these two tortillas, I'm going to fold them in half once and fold them in half again. So you want to cut here, and we want to open these up, cut there, and we have our large tortilla chips here. I like to use pan spray, but you can use oil. We're going to take our chips, lay them on there. We're going to take a little bit of our olive oil, drizzle it on there. Now we got our spices, so salt and pepper, granulated garlic, and paprika. We got our oven at 350 degrees. Place those in there about 10 minutes. Now we're going to get started on our Greek yogurt ranch. So we got one packet, which is 1 ounce of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, which will go with our 2 cups of Greek yogurt. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's take a look at our baked tortilla chips. They look great. Okay, now we're gonna make our baked chicken wings. An important step when making baked chicken wings is that we dry them thoroughly. That way they will be crispy when they come out of the oven. Okay, the first batch we're gonna be making is our chili garlic wings. We're gonna do a little salt and pepper, garlic, chili powder, cumin, and we got the zest of 2 limes.
Hi, my name is Steven Saprikos, and I'm the resident dietitian for Pike Township. Both the wings as well as the Greek yogurt ranch are very high in protein, as well as lower in calories as opposed to the store-bought alternatives. And we want to consider a major key when looking at a balanced lifestyle is also including the foods that you enjoy in moderation. So don't forget to enjoy yourself during the game.
Got all our seasonings in there, we mix them up real good. We'll lay them on our rack here. Now we need to make our garlic parmesan wings. Add a little salt and pepper, granulated garlic, and toss those up. Now let's put our wings on the rack. Okay, we have a 425 degree oven. What we're gonna do is we'll put these in there, set our timer for 10 minutes, then we're gonna flip them and set them for another 10. Now a very important step, as we temp our wings, we're looking for 165 or more. Okay, our chili garlic limes are ready, but we need to finish off our garlic parmesan. So we're gonna get a mixing bowl, melted butter, Parmesan cheese. The heat will melt that cheese a little bit. Okay, there we have it. We have our baked tortilla chips, our chili lime wings, our garlic parmesan, and our homemade Greek yogurt ranch. And we are ready for the big game. Delicious.